Are you looking to sell your home without losing a lot of money on commissions? Hi, this is Cameron at Colorado Team Real Estate. And if you're looking to sell your home for the most amount of money without getting crushed on the commissions, I've built a solution for you. Right now, home values are high. The average sales price in Denver Metro is over $600,000, which means if you're the average seller, you're paying around $45,000 for one of the just normal agents here in town. And at Colorado Team, we believe in giving the best service in town at a fair price. Our team hires professional photographers, video editors, and copywriters to make your house stand out from the competition. We also start with a 184-point marketing plan to ensure your house is seen 3 times more than the average agent. The result is that our clients are actually netting more money than the flat fee listing companies that just post a sign and wait for it to sell itself, and the really expensive brokers in town. One example I can share just happened in Castle Rock, where a flat fee company had the home listed for 3 months in this market where most homes sell in 4 days. And then the seller interviewed us and an expensive broker, and we both said the home should sell for $20,000 more than what it was listed for. So we were able to find that seller a buyer in the first weekend, and that home sold $35,000 higher than the previous price. They were able to make more than they expected with the right marketing, and they didn't have to give up a high commissions percentage. So if you're looking for the best value, send me a message and let's chat about how to get you the highest price, a great experience, and the most money in your pocket at closing. You can reach out to me now at Cameron@coloradoteam.com or hit me up on my cell phone at 303-501-2810, and let's get your move started this week.